internet friends, welcome back to Free the Tomatoes, and today I'm going to update you on how Pound That palette is going, and quite honestly this is the biggest difference you're going to see between last month and this month, probably in this whole update. And that is because it has officially been depotted. So without further ado, let's just get into it. I think I've made some good progress here on Fit. However, Fit was just recently put into a new project, so I think that's why it's been going really good. I think this one was Feisty. This one was either Feisty or Flirty, but we definitely hit bigger pound on that one. And then we made some progress on these three right here, even though still suffering through those ones. I don't want to say I strongly dislike them. I don't mind this one here. It turned out a lot different on the eyes, like with a couple different techniques. Instead of going in with like a thick dense brush, going in with more fluffy brush gives it more of a smoky look, kind of compared to like Silhouette per se in the Shannon XO palette, but with some more glitter in it, if that makes sense. Yeah, so we're making progress on those, but honestly I think it's now going to be slow progress here on out. I think once we get through Fit down here and once we get through Feisty Flirty, yeah, I think we're going to have super slow progress after that, just because I don't know, I'm just not feeling the other shades. So yeah, so that's my update with how Pound That palette is going. I'm gonna say overall I feel like the challenge itself is actually going really good, especially because it's what, June? And we've got half the palette left, so I think we're doing pretty damn good. But until the next update, yeah, I think I'm gonna focus solely on these two and then just cross my fingers for the rest of it. So thanks for checking in with me, guys. Hopefully I have some good news on these shades in a month's time, and I will see you then. Bye!